for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in the urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Richland County, Eastern Marion County, Morrow County, Crawford County, Knox County, until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Morrill to near Delaware, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Marion, Mount Vernon, Bucyrus, Mount Gilead, Galion, Shelby, Ontario, Lexington, Crestline, Fredericktown, Gambier, Cardington, Belleville, Plymouth, Centerburg, Ashley, Danville, New Washington, and Waldo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Knox, Marion, Morrow, and Richland. The urgent weather message.